In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a CV in Canva. First, make sure you're logged into your Canva account and you're on the Canva home dashboard. This is the main page you see when you open Canva, with a search bar at the top and a menu down the left-hand side. From here, we're going to use one of Canva's built-in designs to make your CV look clean, modern, and professional without having to start from a blank page. On the left-hand column, look for the option labeled Templates and click on it. This section is where Canva keeps all its pre-made designs for things like posters, social media posts, and of course, resumes. Opening the Templates area will help you quickly narrow down designs that are already sized and formatted correctly for a CV. At the top of the Templates page, you'll see a search bar. Click into that and type the word resume. You can also type CV if you prefer, but resume is the most common term used in Canva's template library. Once you've typed it in, press enter. Canva will now show you a range of resume templates in different styles and colors. Next, in the results, click on the resume category. This filters the search so that you're only seeing proper resume layouts, not related designs like cover letters or portfolios. Take a moment to scroll through and look for a template that fits your personality and the type of job you're applying for. For example, a clean, simple layout is ideal for corporate roles, while a more creative design might work for design or media positions. When you find a template you like, click on it to open a preview. If it looks good, click on the button that says Customize this template. Canva will create a new editable version of that resume in your account and open it in the editor. Now you can personalize it. Click on each element on the resume page and replace the placeholder text with your own information. Start with your name and job title, then add your contact details, education, work experience, skills, and any other relevant sections. You can double-click on any text box to edit it, drag sections to rearrange them, and tweak fonts or colors if needed. Keep everything clear and easy to read, and make sure your dates and job titles are consistent. Once you're happy with how your CV looks, go to the top right corner of the screen and click on the Share button. From the options that appear, choose Download. Canva will ask you to pick a file type. PDF is usually the best choice for resumes because it keeps your layout intact on any device. After confirming your settings, click Download again. Canva will prepare your file and save it to your computer, ready for you to email or upload to job applications.